How to report a seller on Facebook Marketplace. In this video, you'll learn how to report a seller on Facebook Marketplace if they violate commerce policies or community standards. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, including what to do if a seller has blocked you. Ensure a safe and trustworthy buying experience on Facebook Marketplace by knowing your rights and how to take action against fraudulent activities. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever had a bad experience on Facebook Marketplace, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into an important topic: how to report a seller on Facebook Marketplace. Whether they've scammed you, violated commerce policies, or just acted shady, we've got you covered with a step-by-step guide. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Facebook account. Once you're on your news feed, look at the left menu and click on Marketplace. Next, find a listing from the seller you want to report. Click on their listing to open it. Under Seller Information, click on the seller's name. This will take you to their profile. On the seller's profile, click on the three dots closing parenthesis to open a drop-down menu, and then select Report. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your report. Be sure to provide as much detail as possible about why you're reporting the seller. Now, what if the seller has blocked you? Don't worry, Facebook still has your back. Let me show you how. If a seller has blocked you, you can still report them by going to the Help and Support section. Navigate to Report a Problem and follow the prompts to explain your issue. Include as much detail as possible, including any communication you had with the seller before they blocked you. And remember, Facebook takes these reports seriously. Sellers who violate commerce policies or community standards may be suspended or banned. But keep in mind, buyers who file fraudulent claims are also subject to consequences under Facebook's purchase protection policies. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helps you navigate Facebook Marketplace with confidence. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and guides. Have any questions or need more help? Drop a comment below. Until next time, happy shopping and stay safe online.